hike, and then we're going to go do another hike in a canyon, which was not part of the itinerary, but hey, might as well add some stuff since we can. It's a nice, beautiful, sunny day. We got some mountains off in the distance that are looking pretty cool, but yeah, so we're just going to go do that. And then Glimmer tomorrow, which I'm very, very excited for. And then after Glimmer, it's Reykjavik for the rest of our trip. Yeah, so I guess we'll see when we get to the volcano. I'll just point it that way for a second. Alright, made it to Grábrók volcano. It's a little bit chilly with the wind. If it wasn't for the wind, it would be beautiful, but we got some stairs to go up, and we're going all the way to the top of that. I guess I'll show you whenever we get to the top.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright.
To the left or to the right? Here's the pit of the volcano. Still going up. Tiny people. Let me get a glimpse of the view. Probably just to get a picture of that mountain in the back. It's windy.
Tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You turn it all around.
Wanted to drone up here now that we're out of the wind a bit. I don't know if you can hear me, but we wanted to drone up here, but I don't think so. Not with this wind. This is pretty intense. I'm pretty sure it would take the drone right far away and we'd never see it again. So I brought it up, but I don't think we're gonna use it. Whew. Quite the wind churning up here. Gorgeous up here. There's snow. There's the other crater. been some really cool drone footage up here, but maybe on the way back, if there's no wind, maybe I'll climb back up here again. But holy moly, I won't be surprised if I have a little bit of wind burn on my face now. But I don't think level 5 wind resistance would handle this. Ooh, finally out of the wind. There's Dawn, being Dawn. There's the only penguin in Iceland right here. Well, we made it to the bottom of the canyon. There's one waterfall back there that we took a picture of. Another one there that we took a picture of. And now we're heading around the corner over there to see an even bigger one. This is not a touristy spot, which makes it excellent for us. All right, we'll show you along the way. This is Ankafoss. There's no trail, we're just following the canyon. Up to the next waterfall. Wow, what an adventure, guys. Just came from this way underneath this ledge here. Right here, walked all the way this way, and now we're standing here at the crack of another waterfall, and then we're just going to go check out this one by walking along here, or actually along here I should say, to get to this rock peak, and then we're going to climb up to the top. in true Dawn and Sarah adventure fashion. Why not? Alright. So far, so good.
You lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again. I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I.
That's tiring.
Climbing up from the depths.
It's a nice view from up here though.
Well, it's midnight. Dawn's in bed watching his videos before he falls asleep. We did Grábrók volcano, and then we also went and saw 3 waterfalls. I don't know the names of them right now, but in a canyon. It was a wild adventure, as you guys saw. And yeah, tomorrow is Crosslog and Glimmer, which I'm really excited about. Really excited about. And it's supposed to be sunny. I'm just nervous about losing the drone there, so wish me luck that I don't do that. And guess we'll see you in the morning.
Yeah.